'Cause I miss you, but I just can't help it. So if you're still crazy, if you lost your way, I don't know if you're not ready, if you've changed your mind. No, I will freak out.